Supply chain orchestration, why coordination is no longer enough. Most organizations don't suffer from a shortage of talented people, nor do they lack sophisticated technologies. In many cases, they have invested millions in ERP platforms, planning systems, automation, predictive analytics, and AI-powered forecasting. Yet performance continues to fall short of expectations. Why? Because supply chains rarely fail within individual functions. They fail between them. Procurement optimizes purchasing costs. Manufacturing focuses on production efficiency. Logistics pursues transportation savings. Sales aims to maximize revenue. Finance protects working capital. Each function may achieve its own objectives, while the organization as a whole moves further away from its strategic goals. This is the difference between coordination and orchestration. Coordination ensures that activities happen. Orchestration ensures they happen for the same strategic purpose. Think of a symphony orchestra. Every musician is highly skilled. Every instrument performs flawlessly. Yet technical excellence alone does not create extraordinary music. Without a conductor, perfect individual performances often become collective noise. Modern supply chains operate in exactly the same way. Today's business environment is no longer defined by isolated disruptions. Organizations must simultaneously respond to geopolitical instability, shifting customer expectations, volatile demand, supplier constraints, sustainability requirements, and accelerating technological change. Managing these challenges independently is no longer sufficient. They must be orchestrated. Supply chain orchestration creates a decision-making environment where information, priorities, and actions remain aligned across the entire organization. It connects commercial strategy with operational execution. It links planning with procurement, production with logistics, inventory with customer service, technology with human judgment. Perhaps most importantly, it transforms decision-making from reactive to systemic. Rather than asking, how can my department perform better, orchestration asks a far more valuable question: how can every decision strengthen the performance of the entire supply chain? This shift in thinking changes everything. The highest performing organizations no longer measure success by departmental efficiency alone. They evaluate how effectively decisions flow across functions, how quickly priorities are synchronized, and how consistently the organization responds as a single connected system. Artificial intelligence will undoubtedly become more powerful. Automation will become more sophisticated, digital platforms will continue to evolve, yet none of these technologies can replace strategic alignment. Technology accelerates execution. Orchestration determines whether the organization is executing the right priorities in the first place. That is why supply chain orchestration is rapidly becoming one of the defining capabilities of future-ready organizations. Because competitive advantage no longer belongs to companies that simply optimize individual processes. It belongs to those that synchronize people, processes, data, and decisions into one intelligent operating system. At Kaleidoscope International, we believe the future of supply chain leadership is not about managing complexity. It is about orchestrating it. Continue exploring the future of supply chain with Kaleidoscope International, where strategic thinking, operational excellence, and continuous learning come together to shape the next generation of business leaders.